Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you saw, this device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. We have to start with opening the settings. Here in this general list we have to scroll and find display and brightness and find screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top relatively short options and at the bottom the longest, which is 10 minutes. So just tap on the option like to use, I'll choose 10 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.